Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Papercrafts Facebook group, and of course the Sweet Pea Papers coffee shop. All the links are below. Please be sure to visit them and participate in our fun days, special days that we have every week. You can post your Etsy shops one day a week. You can post your Instagrams one day a week, your YouTube channel one day a week. You can post your YouTube videos any day. All kinds of fun stuff. This is my design team project for LineDotArrow, and this is made from two kits. I combined the two kits, and one of them is called Herbs and Roses, and the other one is called Love and Lace. Now, both of these kits are going to be on sale for the month of February 2025 in Natalie's LineDotArrow Etsy shop. So be sure to check those out. You can also get, if you go to the any of the 6 participating Facebook groups that are going to be hosting the giveaways, we'll talk about that in just a second, then you can get free challenge papers. Of course, you get more at Natalie's LineDotArrow Junk Journal group, Facebook group, and all that. Since this is the flip through, I don't think I'm going to go through the whole thing about the challenges and all that, because I went through that in the first 4 videos, and you guys have got all that. So I just wanted to mention the links and the Facebook group, and there's a link below that has a link to all 6 Facebook groups that are participating, so you want to make sure and check that out too. And be sure to check out the design team members for LineDotArrow. They do a lot of great and beautiful work, and they could use your support by your visits. Okay? All right. So here's my project. It's a manila folder project. It's made with 3 manila folders and yeah, some lace and some ribbon. So on the cover, we've got a tag that's a pocket. This is a tag under here, under this little bow that's, I think, upside down. But I tied it before I put it on there. That's the only defense I have. And then there's a card here. Never take them out on a flip through. They never want to go back in straight. Well, it goes straight. It really does. And then I stamped all of the tabs, front and back. This flips down into a large writing area. And here's my second stamp, which I like too. Then this is, like I said, this is stamped up here, and there's some decorative lace with 2 ribbons on it at the top. When you fold this down, I forgot to mention it, there's a side card that you can pull out right here. You'll notice I didn't pull that one out. When you go to the second page, there's a notepad, and it's held on with a Velcro dot to keep it from swinging open. I just took this piece of paper, glued it on the back side here, and folded it over the notepad. There's 6 pieces of paper in there. Decent sized notepad. Then on this side you have an acetate pocket with a card, and you have an acetate belly band with a card. Both of these flip open. They're held by magnets, and you've got matching pockets here, diagonal pockets, each with a card. Then over here you have a really tall belly band that's way over to the side. And you take it out, and you've got this image here. Some of the acetates are a little tight, and that one worked out fine. Then on this page here, you have a stacked pocket that I turned into a kind of a waterfall. And then this is a fussy cut of one of the tops of one of the papers, and I just put it on there for a little bit of a contrast instead of it being blank. Over here on this side, we've got a space for 3 cards. I only put in 2 so you could see the stamping, but there is a place right here for a third card. Then on the back is one large pocket. You can see the stenciling here. I stenciled on these. These ended up being somehow bigger than the width of the page. So I stamped all of them to make up for that fact. And this will lay flatter once the book has been, or the journal has been closed a little bit longer. I used the bone folder on them, but I guess that wasn't quite enough. They still stick out a little bit. They kind of makes me crazy, but you know me. Anyway, so there's a nice big card in here, and then that's the back of the folio. And so that's my design team project for LineDotArrow for February of 2025. I hope you've enjoyed the flip through and the 4 project videos. Yeah, we did make that in 4 videos. And I will see you in the next project and then the next flip through. And that will be, this is going to be the end of February, I believe that this goes. And then it'll be March before you get your next project. Okay? All right. Well, thanks a lot. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.